Okay, so there's an exciting news I want to share with you. In exactly 1 month, I'm gonna be hosting some workshops at Horenji again. This is the temple where my workshops were hosted for the first time in Japan 5 years ago. And thanks to the wonderful family of the temple, I'm gonna be able to welcome some guests there again for about 10 days in October. In the meantime, I also updated my workshop and experience offer. And okay, I'm sorry, but it's too hot. So there are two ways. In the 1 day workshop, I'll teach you how to use the sewing machine if you don't know already. And we're gonna create a bag from A to Z, and at the end of the day, you leave with your finished bag with you. In this class, you can choose between two designs, a clutch or a bum bag. And another way to join is to book a 2 hours experience. In this one, you can choose between 6 designs. There's a good variety, price range. Some of them are very good for gifts if you don't want to create something for yourself. We will start all the little steps before sewing. I will teach you about Japanese fabrics, the motifs, and I'll show you how to frame the motif so you can choose exactly how it's going to display on your bag. We'll cut the fabric, we'll make it ready for sewing. You go and explore, you continue your trip. In the meantime, I will be finishing your bag, and then you'll receive the finished product either at your hotel during your time in Japan, or I'll send it to your home address back home. So you'll receive it when you come back from Japan. So you can have a look in detail. It's in the link on my profile. I will also add it in the story highlights. So if you want to take the chance to join the workshop while I am at Horenji Temple, you can book your experience between October 19th and 28th. Within these dates included, I will be hosting the workshops at the temple. And besides these dates, the workshop will take place in the usual spots near Arashiyama. I'll let you have a look. If you have any questions, please ask me, and I would love to have you in my classes.